a medical social, because now we had three topics already, like it's getting heated, I know, too much of academic and scientific things. Let us have a small entertainment. Obviously, whatever I say, please take me in a social context. Iran is my most favorite to the heart, the people of Iran. I don't want to say my emotional thoughts to you, that's not my intention. We have a connect with that country and it's great people. I know some superpowers are doing their best to break that country. I won't name those superpowers, but that's a country I take a lot of pride in to having knowing them. The people of Iran are like our own brothers and sisters. I wish to really dedicate this to their spirit of resurgence. They are a great set of people. And why I say that, we have historic ties with Iran. Because I have read from some historian that the 1,000-windowed palace of Indra and such like mythology, it's somewhere in the Pakistan-Iran border. It's all kind of part of big India, whichever. That is one of the reasons, medically or academically speaking, that makes me bring here this flag of two countries. But more than that, the character, the warmth, the honesty, and the greatness of that country that is similar like ours, and their sense of never say die, that is what keeps us alive always. The sense of hope. That's one thing we cannot give up. This country represents it. I've been there, I was there for a month, so I know how it's like. This is dedicated to all those great people in Iran. Next. So what is the point of telling my whatever profile, etc.? I can be useful to you by the numbers given there. So as simple as that. And what we have a Telegram group, we have a WhatsApp group, and my slogan is simple. Pani adyam padikkuva, pattunengi prajaripikkuva, alle padipikkuva. We are not qualified to be a teacher, but whatever we can share. Nalla service odukuva, panam undakuva, nalla panam. Panathinu panam thanne venam. There is no discount in that. I have a Sandro, not a big car. My small boy says, because it is Innova. His father is rich, I am not. A small boy, my own son, prefers Innova. What value will a patient look at me? Do you think MBBS going people are going Adura Sevanathinu matram? Complicated cases treat MBBS padikkan povunathu. That would be one reason, but there will be another reason. It has more economic status, more salary. I hope not many will disagree with me. So that is why we have a simple policy. I think for me as a student, I found these 4 words very important. Pani nannai padikkuva. If not propagate or teach, at least serve with honesty and integrity. Money will come behind you. Then comes prosperity. And we are doing something in different Ayurveda colleges students. They are in my WhatsApp group, 17 colleges. Some, I don't know if any of you are in this group, in my group, in this audience, but definitely a batch or 2 before you are there in the WhatsApp group. I've selected like about 10 people from each college. So we are about 256. There's already a group of medical officers where we share every week information on a regular basis from the best sources of Ayurveda. So we share the information and that leads to empowerment. Next. And it's a simple statement. Somebody invented this kind of thing, so I speak. And somebody invented that, so we have that. Our life is constantly indebted. So this slide is going to be a time pass for you because already 2-3 heavyweight subjects have been dealt. Our life is constantly indebted to people and we have to pay back. And by doing well the duty that is in our hands now, we become stronger. And then we have a chance to do a lot of good things in future. Again, strength. If you have strength, people will consider you. Otherwise, nobody will. The harder you work, the luckier you get. And what is luck? When you have preparation or preparedness meeting the opportunity. 6 adikkumba 6 adikkanam kali thokum allengil. And that's years of preparation actually. Do you think MS Dhoni hits 6 in the last ball always easily? He has so much of preparation, experience, hard work. That's why he's the best finisher in the world. So it is all preparation. If you start preparing from first year, but for that you have to see yourself 1,000 days or 2,000 days from now. Once you have that Innova caril, jolly at a holiday in a poem, allengi foreign trip adiyum. 6 varsham shesham. Achchante paisayilla, ende paisayilla. When you start thinking that, that's always good. Next. So hard work is not enough. You need hard, smart work. Why I use the word smart work? What is the point of learning all the shlokas of Agni Karma when you don't have access to this video, when you don't know how to do it? Exam pass ആവും, patient pass ആക്കുമെന്ന് ചോദിക്കണം. Patients have to pass us. So that becomes a friend of mine. That's why I say no barriers, only opportunities. He was a rubber tapper. Now, how much can rubber tapper earn as a small child? Now he is in fantastic position in Singapore. Sorry, Malaysia. Taylor's University is a yoga chief, or like is a very big yoga consultant for that big university. From scratch to what level he has achieved. Total hard work. Then luck favors you. That's how it happens. Next. Respond to opportunity, I already told. Let us forget that. Forward, please. Difficult question. How much time we have for, I don't use Facebook. My wife threatens me to get into Facebook once a while to post holidays pictures. Otherwise, I'm a lazy bone when it comes to Facebook. But of course, WhatsApp I'm using because that's the easy way to communicate information. So just ask yourself, we don't need an answer from anyone, of course. It's self-answering and self-questioning. And next, how much time the acharyas get from all of us? How much time we spend time with this? You see, samayilla narum parayilla. Samayillathrundu priorities. Life is all about making choices and paying prices. We'll get through this social slide very quickly, but no, these things have to be in your mind. There is no other way I could engage the first, second and third and fourth years other than these kind of slides. So I thought if it can prepare your vision for long-term 5 years, it's nice. So this preparation is very, very important. You just keep writing as a logbook. WhatsApp itra maniki keri, ippam exit ai WhatsApp in Facebook la. Just calculate. Then you know. Ashtangarada itra nerada kai vannu, itra maniki kai nu poi. So Shridham, anything. Clinical points. I tell you, how many rank holders here, please? Privilege. And how many there? Are there students from other colleges other than Kottakkal here? Any other college students, internees who have come only for seminar? How many? Yeah. So you are from different. So it's your sense of, to learn something different. I am not even the top 25 of my class. So you are speaking not to a backbencher, but to a middle class fellow. Top class where ladies are always rank holders. Now let us be frank about it. Ranks are meant for ladies only, not for men usually, but there are exceptions. But today, somebody who is not in the top 25 is useful to you, not a rank holder. It's not about being jealous about rank holders, because I was never one such. Why I mean that, please keep out of your mind, if your exam marks are not great, doesn't mean that you will not be successful. That is very important to know. So next. That's why the graph is like that. The graph goes till prosper. Next. Iran. Why I show this hookah? It's Ayurvedic, of course. We should have the best of times. We don't have a tomorrow at all. If we have, it's my wife, so it's fine. So why I say this to you? We should work very hard and we should party hard. Not political party. Party, I understand it's a different meaning here in Kerala. Jolly party. So then you add spice in your life. Full-time buji, full-time padatham, nothing doing. Life is boring. We should have all the ingredients. Life should be king size or queen size, whichever. Next. So anyway, the simple thing is that if you chase your vision, the money will chase you. Next. Money is not everything. We have been hearing it for long. Paisa matra onnu alla. If somebody tells you that, next slide please, don't take that nonsense. You need to make money in a good manner. It is not the case. Somebody comes in bicycle in front of you. Somebody lands in BMW. Now don't tell me that you will be behind the cycle man. Let us be frank about it. You need strength. Money is also strength. That should come from knowledge. Panam punyatodapam. If you have that feeling, then it's easier. Next. Somewhere in Kollam, the town in South Kerala, if you know, I had a very enlightening experience by a dog. I was extremely hungry and I had went to study something very special. The hotel did not look Tattigada type, not very great, but I was extremely hungry. I could not stand till reaching home. I did not carry my dry fruits or anything with me, so I had to eat. One dog, a stray dog, was offered the food, and I was also offered. A stray dog was getting it free. I was going to pay 50 rupees, I knew. The dog did not eat, but I did. Because the dog was fed up of that food perhaps. Every day he was getting free. I gave 50, I said, it was such a painful feeling, wasting that 50 rupees, and on top of not being satisfied. That day I really felt, whenever, in my best capacity, if I treat somebody, the expense per day should be less than 50 rupees, if possible. And it is possible if you do practices like Anushastras. It is definitely possible. There are a lot of things, I am not telling that, but it is a possibility. Sometimes it may go up a bit, still what? One cinema ticket is 70 rupees anyway. Minimum auto rickshaw in Kottayam, they will ask you 50 rupees. So, auto number minimum 2 kilometers, then it is okay. Our prescription can also be 50 rupees. I know it is high when you compare with homeo, I understand that, but still. So when we economize it, it becomes easy to plan. Many people, they don't have Ayurvedic medicine because it's very costly. So that we don't want. Next. And with every patient, he's your breadwinner, quick referral or quick relief. Next. Coming to patients, we spoke of study, we spoke of how to make the money, then is a very sensitive department, the patients. I have the opportunity, or I had, of treating patients from 92 different nations because we have a medical resort, as we call. It's a hospital with a resort ambience. That belongs to my father-in-law. So people from all over the world come to us. We had so far 92 nations. One such, she's a fantastic lady. Why I say that to you, there are some patients whom you can call soul whisperers. They really touch you by virtue of their magnanimity and the way they behave. Be prepared to meet such people. She is very close to me, and so to my wife and my son too. That's why I show her as a symbolic. Why I say that, out of 100 patients you treat, 10% will behave out of the world. But please be sure, nearly 90% would be good. And in that, a very few percent will be exceptionally good. So take it in a positive note. Next. And some would be very magnanimous. Very magnanimous. People like her, she's from Iran. Every patient is either a blessing or a lesson. Next. She completed 52 nights in Kuti Pravishika Rasayana recently. She is from Australia. And I think that's, can you imagine yourself 3 days alone in a dark room? Alone in a dark room, no WhatsApp, nobody talking to you, no other activities allowed, no reading, and so many no's. You're not in a jail, you're fed your food and your medicine. That's how this Kuti Pravishika Rasayana is. So why I show this slide, after 52 days, I am balder and she's beautiful more. No, that's what happened, as you can see the comparison. She had phenomenal improvements, etc. Why I show this slide for 2 reasons. One, that Kuti Pravishika Rasayana, when you study in final year, is not a myth. It is done. And the same things have been documented. And today, the legendary Dr. P.K. Varia sir, he would inaugurate the KPR portion of my website at 3 o'clock. I thought I'll better use this photo as a context just to tell you. And all that I have went through alone in 35 days in dark room, I have documented, and other things also. So it's for final years, this slide. And in general, it is to communicate that sometimes patience can be an inspiration for us. Be ready to embrace that reality. She's my favorite from Australia, and of course the others were favorite from other countries, so that's why I showed their photos. And she's an inspiring champion. 52 nights is big deal to be alone in a dark room. Next. Well, of course, my friend from Assam had sent me this anyway. We go next. I think we are done with that, most likely. Yes. The purpose of the website, as I said to you, the only way I can be useful after I'm gone from here, I don't have a second chance with any college, is through the website. This website is free for you. It is all 20 years of collection made. And anyway, I made sure the last 5 years I took 10% of my salary, monthly salary of the government, for building up this website. So there's a lot of money involved in it. I'm happy to do that. That's my price to God for keeping me alive. I keep it that way. So it's very clear cut. We just have to go off. It's fine.